What up, guys? We're on the beautiful Econ River, about to do what we do, and we're hoping we catch a big end. Last time I was here, I lost a big fish, but we changed up that braid. We stepped it up, and we're back, baby. Let's see what happens. Ooh, wait. Whoa. All right, bro. We need a big PB bass. Let me make sure my drag. Todo está bien, papi. Mira los tilapia como loco, papá, ya lo estoy viendo mucho. Wow, Mig, a lot of tilapia already. Yo quiero ver los mullet. Got one, got a good one. On the top water, baby. Let's go. Come here. Oh, come on, baby, nice. Come here. Yeah, baby, fatty. Woo! Wait, guys. I gotta get out this real quick. Come on. Oh, wait. Let me get a shot of this guy. Let's take some pictures. Hold on one second. All right. Get over here. Myron! Dale! ¡Uy! Ay, yo, you gotta... Vente para acá y parquea también para tirar el cast allá adentro. Bro, this is a nice one, bro. On the jitterbug. Alright, guys, we're gonna release this guy, but underwater with the other camera. So we're right here. Gonna do a nice underwater release of this guy. There we go. That's a nice top water catch right there. Yeah, baby, got that. This current is crazy right now. Damn. Yo, this is crazy, bro. See over here. Oh, got one. On jerkbait. Bass. Jerkbait. Let's go. Just a little guy. He's gonna go quick back, but he was ready to eat that thing, bro. Little fatty. Look at that belly on him. Little fatty on him. Little fatty crusty jerky. Or after these jerkbait right now. Let's just pop this out, man. We gotta go quick. Come on, little guy. Come on, little guy. Got him. Good one. Good one here. Oh, got one. What is that? That's a bass? Crappie? That looked like a crappie for a second, but it's a nice bass. On the jerky, baby. For real. And God, I saw the face and I thought it was a crappie. For some reason, I don't know. Nice one on the jerky, baby. That's another one, bro. Ya hice uno cuanto, pero. There we guys. Beautiful bass. Going back. There he goes. Oh, got it. On the jerkbait. Oh, good one. A good one, bro. Oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah, on the jerky, baby. Nice fish. An ant, how did it get on me? Una hormiga. All right, vamos a hacer underwater footage release. We're releasing this guy under the water real quick. A beautiful bass. You got one? Yo, vente para acá con el bass. Oh, yeah. Oh, all the way out there, bro. Imagine we catch a big one. Big one on top water. Oh, got one, guys. Got one for real. Oh, yeah. I got one. A red breast, bro, on the top water. Red breast. Look at this baby red breast, bro, on the top water, baby. Little guy. At least we're gonna release him quick, but look at him swallow that hook, boy. Swallow that hook, boys. Let's release this guy quick. Dude, this guy could die. I mean, he got this. He's choked. Sí, yo también, yo estoy preparado, papi. Oh, got one. What is that? Bass. Nice one, baby. Let's go. That's porque no quiero pagar the camera. Let's go. Another nice bass, bro. Look at this guy, bro. Look at that nice patterns on the jerky, baby. Look how he's chased that thing down. Beautiful bass. Let's go.